Now from child pose, come on to tabletop. Knees hip distance apart, hands under your shoulders. Tuck your toes, lifting your knees off the ground, push your hips back into downward facing dog. From downward facing dog, bring your feet together. Inhale, lifting your right leg up, bringing it in between your palms. Back foot down. Inhale, come up into warrior one. Your front knee in a 90-degree angle, in line with your ankle. Keep lengthening your arms here, keeping your shoulder relaxed, back leg straight. Hips square facing to the front. We'll stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now from here, lift your back heel off the ground, facing to the front. Push your hips down into high lunge. Staying here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, lean forward. Now from here, you bring your right hand down to the mat on the outside of your right foot, lifting your left hand up towards the ceiling, looking towards your left hand. Stay here for 3 breaths. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bring your hands down. Left palm down to the mat. Inhale, lifting your right hand up, twisting here from your waist, looking towards your right hand. Stay here, keep your back leg straight. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bring your right hand down. Slowly straighten your front leg. Back foot down, inhale, come up. Turn your right foot in. Hands on your hips, stay here. Inhale, look forward. With an exhalation, leaning forward from your waist down. Come halfway, drop your hands down to the mat. Keep lengthening your back. Legs engaged, toes turning in, your heels outward. Lifting your chest up, keeping your spine straight. Stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look forward. With an exhalation, now drop your hands down further in towards your body and lean forward. Now, if you need to bend your knees here, you can do so. Otherwise, keep them straight. Tuck your belly in, core engage. Bring yourself deeper into the stretch, folding forward. Stay here. Bend your elbows. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lengthen your back. Slowly bring your hands on your hips, come all the way up. Now turn your right foot out. Bring your left feet further in closer. Open your hands up to the side. Your hips square facing to the side. Inhale. With an exhalation, now we'll go into an extended triangle, extending your arms here. Keeping your spine straight, only twisting from the side. Keep lengthening here. Once you can't lengthen anymore, slowly drop your hands down. Resting on your calves or your ankle or the mat, and slowly lift your left hand up towards the ceiling. Keep pulling your left shoulders back. You can look down. Once you have a better balance, look towards your left hand. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly inhale, bring yourself back up. Now turn your hips towards the front and your back foot towards the front. Inhale, lifting your left hand up, your right hand resting on your hips. With an exhalation, lean forward. Keep both the legs straight. Come halfway, lengthen your back here. With an exhalation, drop your left hand down. From here, twist. Look towards your right hand, pointing towards the ceiling. Twisting from your torso here. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bring your right hand down. Slowly inhale, come up. Now bring your hands to the back. You can either grab your elbows or you have your palms touching each other. Now inhale, keep lifting your chest, keeping your spine straight. Pull your shoulders back. With an exhalation, again, keep lengthening your back, leaning forward from your waist. Come halfway, stay here. Into pyramid. Inhale again. With an exhalation, lean forward. Keep your legs straight. Go as deep as you can. Feel the stretch in your hamstrings. Slowly inhale, come back up. Release your hands, bring your hands back up. Bend your front knee. Lift your back heel up into a high lunge. Exhale, bring your hands down. Bring your right foot back into downward facing dog. Bring your feet together. Inhale, lifting your left leg up. Bringing it in between your palms. Back foot down, heel on the mat. Bend your front knee, slowly come up into warrior one. Keep your back leg straight, hips facing forward. Push your hips down to go deeper into the stretch. Stay here for 5, 4, don't stop breathing. 3, 2, 1. With an exhalation, come forward. Now slowly bring your left hand down on the outside of your left foot. Turn to the side, look towards the ceiling on your right. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bring your right hand down, twisting to the side. Bring your left hand up towards the ceiling. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bring your left hand down. Straighten your front legs, slowly come up. Now hips facing to the side. Bring your arms up in line with your shoulders. Inhale. With an exhalation, lengthening your back towards your left. Once you can't lengthen anymore, slowly drop your hands down towards your calf, your ankle, or the mat. Keep pulling your shoulders back, chest lifting, look towards the ceiling, towards your right hand. 5, 4, keep your back leg straight. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, slowly bring yourself up. Now from here, turn your hips to the front, feet to the front. Lifting your right hand up, left hand on your hips. With an exhalation, lean forward. Exhale, bring your right hand down. Twisting from here, left hand up towards the ceiling. Ensure both your legs are straight. If you need to give a micro bend to your front knee, do so. Keep your back leg straight. 3, keep twisting from your waist. 2, 1. Exhale down. Slowly inhale, come up. Now lift your back heel up. Bend your front knee into high lunge. With an exhalation, bring both hands down. From here, bring your left foot to the back into downward facing dog. Stay here for 5 breaths. Adjust yourself, feet hip distance apart. Keep pushing your hips towards the ceiling. Shoulder blades away from your ears. Core engaged. Keep lifting your chest. Looking towards your feet, your toes. Palms pressing down into the mat. 5. Full inhalation, full exhalation. 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bring your knees down. Untuck your toes, sit on your heels. Into child pose. Forehead down to the mat.